Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Before we move to today's topic, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe. For today's episode, I will give you some tips and I will show you how to cut like a professional. So, firstly, we need to fix our cutting board. The reason why we put napkins is for the cutting board not to slip. After, we choose the best knife for vegetables. The best knife for vegetables is this one. It's bigger than metal and it has the air gaps so the vegetables won't stuck on the knife. Let's use it. Let's move to onion. Onion is something that everybody is using in everyday life in kitchen. First, we cut it in half. And now I will show you how to place correctly your hands on the knife, on the onion. I see a lot of people cutting like this. It's too dangerous because it's easy to cut your finger. So, we make like a bump with the hand and we keep it like this. This finger, we place it like this so it's easier to touch the metal of the knife so we won't cut ourselves. And we go slowly. Easy. Secondly, we have a potato. How to chop a potato? We make a small cut, so like this the potato, it's easy to stand without going around. And we make small lines. Like this, we can choose every shape that we want to give to the potato. Let's say if we want to do for fryer, perfect. If you want to do for oven, perfect. Bigger pieces. And our last vegetable is a mushroom. We cut it in half because it's big. Turn it around, and again how we saw it at the beginning, fingers, slow nice moves, easy. I hope you found those tips useful. Thank you for watching and see you next Saturday.